So you were saying?
Welcome to Vince's channel, and today we're gonna be going to Murin Lake Provincial Park in Squamish, British Columbia.
I wake up in the morning, this great blue.
What should I get?
Whatever
Yeah.
you feel like.
Should I get done?
To the window on a silky breeze, a dreamer's life to plant some seed.
What's your abrupt plan?
Crooked Falls, here we go.
We gave up Murin Park because there's literally no parking. Obviously, everybody's like, it's not social distancing day today because it's Saturday and it's sunny. Same for us.
But we have masks.
Yeah, we have masks.
Every element is based, every color that's attached. She paints pictures blue and green, and I release them to the sea for the ancient memories, just as fleeting as a breeze. She paints pictures blue and green, and I release them to the sea.
Someday we'll know why I wasn't meant for you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, I can feel my booty shaking.
In June, her body sings.
Have we finally reached a destination?
Rose leave their trees, but a peace pervades us, and the tree.
As a cinematographer, I'm always behind because I prioritize the filming more than the hiking. So basically, I'm doing a lot, and therefore will burn so much more calories than this man right here. Goodbye. I don't know where we came from, but it's definitely down there. Here's the waterfall from there.
I don't know if it was on the top.